15 Magical Ways to Manifest Your Desires. You are a powerful co-creator, and you can manifest your dreams by creating a vision for your life and deliberately choosing beliefs, feelings and actions that support that vision. If you need some inspiration, here are 15 magical ways to manifest your desires. 1. Adopt an attitude of gratitude. When you are living in a state of gratitude and appreciation for all of the blessings in your life, you are sending a clear signal to the universe that you have everything that you desire. This in turn will attract more of your desires into your life, because the world is a reflection of you. 2. Visualize living your dreams with feeling. Spend 5 minutes a day visualizing yourself living your dream life in as much detail as possible. Where are you? Who are you with? What are you doing? What can you see, smell, hear, taste and touch? Focus on the sensations and feelings and make them as real as possible. 3. Create a new identity. Imagine for a moment that you already had what you desire. How would you act? How would you talk? How would you walk, think, feel, dress and make decisions? Create a clear picture of you 2.0 and act as if you are this person throughout your day, until it becomes your natural state of being. 4. Clean up your clutter. When you are holding onto the old, you are not making room for the new in your life. Let go of anything that no longer serves you or does not help you to feel your best. 5. Physically prepare for your dreams to arrive. If you truly expected your dreams to occur, what would you be doing to prepare? Do that now. If you want to attract a romantic partner, buy a spare toothbrush. If you want to attract new clients, block off time in your calendar. If you want to attract financial abundance, get your bank accounts and finances well organized so you can easily handle any new income. 6. Ask for divine guidance. Your soul or higher self can see beyond what your physical self and rational mind can see. Surrender control and begin to pray and ask for daily guidance to move you in the direction of your goals and dreams. 7. Let go of attachment to outcomes. There are an infinite number of ways your desires can manifest in your life. Rather than getting too attached to one specific dating partner, job, house or opportunity, cultivate an open mind and an unwavering sense of trust in the unfolding of your dreams. 8. Follow your intuition. Whenever you get an intuitive hit to create a new project, go to the beach, call a friend or attend an event, trust in that guidance and take action on it. When it comes to manifesting your dreams, you need to meet the universe halfway by moving towards them. 9. Feel good now. Instead of putting your happiness on hold until you create the life you want, learn to feel good and appreciate your life now. Make a list of things that bring you joy, like dancing, yoga, time in nature, cooking or reading, and schedule them into your week. Happiness is a way of living and thinking, not a destination. 10. Live in the present moment. If you are constantly reliving the past or worrying about the future, you will literally miss out on seeing and experiencing the beauty, blessings and miracles all around you. Touch base with the present moment by noticing the sights, sounds and smells around you. 11. Write a dreams journal. Write about your dream day in the past tense as if it had just unfolded. Describe in great detail all of the amazing things that unfolded and how happy and grateful it made you feel. 12. Celebrate your wins. Don't get so focused on your next big dream that you forget to take note of all of the wonderful things that are currently unfolding. Celebrate your daily wins, big and small. 13. Use affirmations with feeling. Affirmations are a powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind and attract what you desire. Write a list of empowering beliefs that you want to have, such as, I am enough. I am powerful. I am loved. I am financially secure. I am divinely guided and inspired. I am complete and beautiful exactly as I am. Make sure you feel them as you say them. Feeling is the secret ingredient. 14. Exercise your imagination. As a child, your imagination was wild and free. But you may have lost touch with this powerful and innate gift. Reactive your imagination more by asking yourself questions each morning like, what is the most outrageously amazingly awesome thing that could happen to me today? What would I love to happen today? How can I give to the world today? 15. Find ways to live your dreams today. The more you can feel like you are living your dreams today, the faster they will manifest in your life. So find small ways to begin living your dreams today. If you dream of finding love, take yourself on solo dates and find ways to compliment yourself. If you dream of having financial abundance, wear your best clothes and take care of your belongings. If you dream of traveling, explore your own city and try new activities. All of these small actions will begin to create a new feeling and vibration inside of you, which will in turn attract opportunities for the fulfillment of your dreams.